Dear student, at first we discuss military organization. For the convenience of conducting the war, the whole country was divided into 11 sectors. Already we know it. The military force called the Mukti Bahini was formed 11th July 1971. The commander-in-chief of the force was General Muhammad Ataul Goni Usmani, who was the commander-in-chief of the force of freedom fighter General Ataul Goni Osmani. This force was divided. This force was divided into three brigades. How many brigades there are? The force is divided. Three brigades. K force, it means Khaled Musharraf. S force, Shafiullah. And Z force, Zia Rahman. Look, the civilian involvement. People from all walks of life participated in the war from their respective position. Civilian means it's general people of our country. The foreign support and aid, the support and contribution of India in the liberation war was undeniable. They helped our people by providing them with food, treatment, ammunition, training and guerrilla training to soldier, and they took shelter 1 crore refugees in their country. Foreign support and aid. The support and contribution of India in the liberation war was undeniable. They helped our the case of liberation war. Case of liberation war, to be free from the torture of causes of liberation war, to be free from the torture of West Pakistan, to achieve freedom and to form a sovereign Bangladesh. And actually we made it and we proved it. We are a free country, free from oppression country, and we are a oppression free sovereign country, and we took the place in the world map. Look, write a short paragraph to describe the singing in the photo. During the surrender of the Pakistani army, the document on which they signed is the acknowledgement of the independence of Bangladesh. This document was achieved after 9 long months of bloody war and sacrifice of innumerable lives. This document reminds us of the moment of our victory. Lieutenant General Jagdish Singh Arora. Number C. Extent. Arora was a Sikh soldier who was born in Punjab. Research further the Indian involvement in the liberation war. Look, Lieutenant General Jagdish Singh Arora was a Sikh soldier who was born in the state of Punjab in India in 1916. In the Liberation War of 1971, he played the role of General Officer, Commander-in-Chief of the Eastern Command of Indian military. His role in the independence of Bangladesh is significant. Number D. What happened on these dates in 1971? Look, 21st November. There is a blank. It will be combined force of Mitra Bahini. It means Indian forces, and Mukti Bahini was formed. 3rd December. There is a blank, you see. Pakistan attacked India. 16 December. There is a blank. Look, Bangladesh finally achieved victory. It will be Bangladesh finally achieved victory with the surrender of the Pakistani military. Look, lesson 6, state recognition to the freedom fighter. Public recognition was given to those who made sacrifice for the war of liberation. The highest award, Bisheshto, was given to those who fought and died for their country in the. Actually, these people are very braver and courage, and they sacrifice their life face to face. The 7 people below were given this title, number 8, and the country more very respectfully given the highest award of our country, Bisheshto. Number 8, Captain Mohiuddin Jahangir. Number B, Flight Lieutenant Motiur Rahman. Flight Lieutenant Motiur Rahman wanted to snatch the Pakistani aircraft, and when they came to our country, and on the way the plane was crashed and burst. Number C, Sipahi Hamidur Rahman. Sipahi Hamidur Rahman. And number D, Lance Nayak Nur Mohammad Sheikh. Number E, Sipahi Mustafa Kamal. Number F, Engine Room Artificer Ruhul Amin. Number G, Lance Nayak Munshi Abdul Rauf. There are 7 great persons to sacrifice for our country, and the country's people, the country respect them in their heart, from their heart, and they given the highest award. The country's people given the highest award, Bisheshto. The other 3 awards were all given to those